Hi everyone, I'm Allie and welcome back to our channel. So to get back and keep that sunny summer vibe for this holiday season, we're gonna do some cocktails that are cool, fun, and fresh so that you can have that endless summer. We love these 3 drinks. They're perfect for a picnic, a barbecue, or party with friends. Everyone will love them, believe us. First, watermelon spritzer cocktail. We first chopped some watermelon in 4 chunky pieces. Now, with the spoon, squeeze the watermelon. Then add lime juice. Add mint leaf, a pinch of salt, powdered sugar, and mix. Finally, add ice and your favorite spritzer. The second cocktail will be a berries gin and tonic. In a glass, put strawberries and blueberries. Then add a shot of your favorite gin, soda, and mix. To close with a nice smell, put a cinnamon stick to decorate. Finally, our third cocktail, a grape and strawberry spritzer. Start by squeezing green, seedless grapes. Now add some strawberries and thin lime slices. Then add ice, soda, and close with a strawberry spritzer. You are done. Stir and enjoy. We hope you enjoyed these recipes and that you make them with your friends and family. Happy sunny holidays.
If you liked this video, share and subscribe. Visit www.maaji.co and follow us on Instagram @Maaji.